Okay, example 4, just solving another problem, but now we've got all these parentheses, and remember, that means we're going to have to distribute. So you distribute whatever number is in front of the parenthesis into the parenthesis into each of its terms. So remember, terms are what are separated by plus or minus signs. So for example, in this very first parenthesis here, we've got that plus sign right there. So the x is a term and the 3 is a term. So that 2 is going to go to both of them. So 2 times x is 2x, and 2 times 3 is 6. And then for the second parenthesis here, we're going to distribute that positive 6, and again we've got two terms because they're separated by that minus sign. So 6 times x is a positive 6x, and 6 times negative 4 is negative 24. And then we've got our equal sign we're going to bring down. And on this right-hand side, we only have this positive 5 that we're going to distribute. And again, we've got two terms, the x and the negative 9, excuse me. So 5 times x is 5x, and 5 times negative 9 is negative 45. Well, we're not quite ready to do what we did in the previous problem, because look at what we have there on the left-hand side. What can we do there? Well, we've got like terms. We've got a 2x and a positive 6x, and 2x plus 6x is 8x. But we also have there, let me switch colors here real quick. We also have this positive 6 minus the 24. Remember, the sign goes with the number behind it. So it's a negative 24 there. So 6 minus 24 is actually negative 18. And then we have our equals. We couldn't do anything to the other side, so just bring it down. 5x minus 45. Now this looks like our previous example, so we just need to get our x's on one side, our variable on one side, and our non-variables on the other. So first thing is I'm going to move this 5x over. It's positive, so I'm going to subtract it. And I'm going to pull this over a little bit here. So 8x minus 5x is 3x. Bring down your minus 18 equals 5x minus 5x cancels, and this, remember that sign goes with it, is a negative 45. Okay, then let's move that 18 over to get the 3x by itself. So let's move it. It's a negative 18, so we do the opposite, so we add it. So 3x, my negative 18 plus 18 cancel, equals negative 45 plus 18 is a negative 27. And then that's 3 times x, so to get rid of the 3, we're going to do the opposite of times, which is divide by the 3 we want to get rid of, and we get x equals negative 9. Or we could write it as a solution set there.